It's Wednesday around noon, week 14, and I'm in the garage. Steve has been here. He's the only carpenter that's been here, and he put this that wood up there over the garage door so that the garage door opener will have a place to attach to. He also put one up over this higher garage, and these pieces of wood that are on his sideways or so that the straps on the outside of the wall have something to screw into, to be nailed into. Jeff, the general contractor and plumber, has started with the plumbing. Here's we're using PEX pipes, and this is a manifold here. So each fixture has its own separate line running out to it, so there won't be any breaks in it. And if you have a leak or something, you can turn off one line, and it'll turn the water off just for that one part. The rest of the house will still work. It's color-coded. The red and blue is for the hot and cold water. Here's a closet where the water heater was going to go, but now we're going to have a tankless water heater. So we're going to move this back wall here, up towards the front of the garage, even with this other wall. And then we're going to make a walk-in linen closet off the bathroom. My girls tell me you can never have too much closet space, so we're adding more closet space. Okay, we're in the garage that's off of the game room, and you can see the pipes coming in, the red and blue PEX pipes, and they come down to here, and then here's where they attach to copper plumbing. So that'll be rigid, and then it comes out the wall here. There's the sink, and there's for the toilet. Jeff also hired the heating and air conditioning man, and he'll be here tomorrow. And he dropped off some of his stuff. But he's going to have to be putting up the ducts and things, and then the carpenter will build around them, and he'll build some drop ceiling and soffits or whatever you call it. And here's some more plumbing in the laundry room. Well, I'm up at the second deck now, and Steve's doing some work on the ceiling. He's going to be wrapping these posts here sometime this week, like he did downstairs.
We're on the same page here. Your dad was kind of saying why is one way and one's the other way. We're on the same page where we're going to strap all the racks on that. Move on that. What were you thinking? You like that? Yeah.
Well, the heating and air conditioning guys are here today. It looks like they put a unit up here in the laundry room. They got something up here in the got something up here in the closet. I mean, in the bathroom. And these two hard-working gentlemen are getting ready to put something up here in this bathroom too. Here's Charlie, our air conditioning guy. And he single-handedly put this air conditioning unit up here. He had it over his shoulder when he was climbing up the ladder.
Yeah, when I was younger, I got, it wasn't as hard as I am now.
It's the end of week 14, and here is the electrical panel. It's huge, isn't it? It's 400 watts. And here's some strapping that Steve put on. Lots of metal strapping. Okay, here's the manifold for the hot and cold water again. And the heating and air conditioning people have been here. They're putting some ducts up. And they put this ceiling unit in. And here's some more in the bathroom. They put the units up first, then Steve's going to drop the ceiling, so he'll know where to frame it. Here's a duct at the with the landing on the stairs. And here's the powder room at the top of the stairs. And Steve dropped the ceiling on this, otherwise it would have been really high. This is where the tower is. Here's some more ducts. And here's the kitchen. We're still thinking about some last minute changes to the design of it. Okay, and here's the water shut-off valves and the manifold here for the second floor. And you can see some of the lines going up here over towards the bedroom and some of them going to the kitchen.